Think your smartphone is private? Think again. In this video, I'll share the top 5 privacy apps of 2024 that will keep your data secure. Let's dive in. Why privacy matters. Smartphones hold a lot of personal information. Apps and services are constantly collecting your data, often without you knowing. But with the right tools, you can protect your privacy. Top 5 privacy apps. Signal. Signal is the gold standard for secure messaging with end-to-end encryption. It's open source and doesn't collect metadata. DuckDuckGo Privacy Browser. This browser blocks trackers, forces encrypted connections, and keeps your searches private. ProtonMail. ProtonMail offers end-to-end encrypted emails, ideal for secure communication. Jumbo Privacy. Jumbo helps manage privacy settings across platforms and cleans up your digital footprint. NordVPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, perfect for public Wi-Fi. Here are some quick tips to stay secure. Limit app permissions. Use two-factor authentication. Regularly update your apps and operating system. Your privacy is your power. Download these apps and take control of your data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.